I think I have fixed now the Dell laptop trackpad. I used to have this issue during which I couldn't really move the cursor very well, the cursor wouldn't react, the buttons wouldn't react, and now I can just go there, click on it and it reacts. Right button also reacts, not always but almost always, so it's really good. The other issue was the cursor would kind of jiggle around when I was moving it, so instead of moving it like this. So how did I do it? Well, it took me around 10 to 15 minutes, so it was very simple. I unplugged the laptop, I unscrewed, oops, sorry, I unscrewed 9 of those screws around, and by the way, those 2 at the top, they do not unscrew completely, they need to stay within this chassis, this bottom of it. Then I use a bit of plastic like a card to prop it open, so it does require, let's say, a bit of a gentle force, you know, to prop it up all around and remove it, so the card might be destroyed, so make sure you use some kind of a soft plastic. You can use a screwdriver with care as well. I opened it, then I unscrewed the battery. This is very easy, just a few screws. I didn't disconnect the battery, I just unscrewed it and I opened it, so I had access to the trackpad from actually inside. And then I opened the laptop and I pressed it from the bottom like this, so I could see what's happening to make sure that all the buttons are working well, there are no obstructions. Now if you look at the picture, what I did, I made sure that I touched all the connectors, all the parts that seemed to be doing something, conducting electricity, especially I think those 2 ribbons, the silvery ribbons. I made sure that they touch the whole thing properly. Then I put a bit of a sellotape on top of those 2 silver ribbons just to make sure that they stick properly. And that was it. Now it's working well. I'm really pleased because that was really annoying not having the touchpad working. So I hope it will work for you. I really don't know exactly what was the problem. I'm guessing those 2 silvery ribbons, one of them was not connecting, but it could be a lot of things. I don't know if you watched my other video. I had sent this laptop to Dell and they said they fixed it, that they sent me this laptop back with a report saying that they fixed the trackpad, but they didn't. It was working for a, I think, short moment and then it stopped again. So now I've tested it for a while and it seems to be working fine. So fingers crossed, and thanks for watching. Take care, bye.